Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name's Marie. As you can see, I have polish on my nails from, this is still from my last video. I have a, excuse me, I have a little bit of grow out, but I thought I would show you how well Color Street goes on Kleo Kolor. So this is the gel nail polish, Kleo Kolor. And I just want to I don't know, add some more color to it. And I've been dying to wear Wing Woman. So this is a couple strips out of the Wing Woman set, which is this Wing Woman. It's not the OG, it is the new release one. And then this one is Sweet Symphony from, I believe this is from the anniversary, Color Street anniversary set. And no, I'm not a stylist. I just still love Color Street. The only thing is, I'm not going to I won't wear Color Street alone because my nails will absolutely break. This one actually is broken all the way across there, but it was so low. I wanted to put the gel on, so I put the gel nail strips on, and they don't eat my nails like liquid gel nail polish does. So that makes me happy. And I don't know, because these are the glitter dip sets. I don't even, I thought this was going to be more sheer, but that's okay. I don't know that I can use one strip for 2 nails on here. Of this glitter dip, because my nails, like I was saying, are pretty long. Yeah, I don't think so. I think it's kind of funny. I don't know if you listen or watch Denise. She's a Color Street stylist, and I think it's kind of funny how she said she was trying to do the anchor method, but she was having a hard time getting it down. And she, on one of her past videos, she's like, "Sorry, Marie." I know she's talking to me because I'm always using the anchor method. But what I think is funny is that here I am trying not to use the anchor method when I just use one strip for one nail. I don't need the anchor method because I don't need to save the other end of it for another nail since they won't fit. Anyway, I just thought that was funny. So we are in our heat wave, first one of the year, and it is 100 today. And I kind of like it on top of the green. Definitely gives it a different color there. So I've had, I don't know if I said it in the beginning, I've had this on, I think, about a week. And the grow out is there. But I really wanted to show you that you can put Color Street on. It's just like putting Color Street over if you had like acrylic nails, except with no color on them. I think it'd be awesome if Kleo Kolor comes out with like a clear gel strip. I would love that. I like this over it. I mean, I would love the pink too, because I am a pink girl. I always say purple's my favorite, but I'm so attracted to the pinks. Someone commented that on one of my past videos, that I always draw to the pink. And I do, I admit. I just love pink. I mean, I thought I loved purple more, but apparently I don't. And I hope I'm in frame. Anybody else in a heat wave? The thing about it is we're just not even accustomed to this kind of heat here. I mean, we don't have, I think I was saying that, we don't have a heat pump. Oh, I've never worn this. That is so sheer. I wonder how it's gonna look over this. I'm here for it. Excuse me. I'm not sick. I don't know why. Every time I go to film, I start getting like this coughing. See, I'm not a fan of ombres being dark down there, and I've mentioned in my past videos why. But this is really pretty. I love this color that it's coming into. I think it goes well with it. Sure, it's still recording. And I'm sorry if you can hear my fan, but I am just dying. Not literally, but I don't handle the heat well at all. So pretty. So pretty, that ombre. Okay, this one I'm excited about too. I don't know the color over it. It reminds me of one of those undercover ones though. It's pretty. I like that I can put Color Street on over the Kleo Kolor and it still looks fantastic. Yes. What?
Go ahead and pick up that Lala for you. You can eat it later.
Lala? Where? Oh, are you getting it from the restaurant? Sorry, hold on a second. Are you getting it from the restaurant?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
From the boys.
Yeah.
And I was gonna go up and get our meds too.
I don't have any meds. You already got my inhaler. Okay, so let me do this finger. Sorry about that. My husband, I told him I'm not leaving the house, but he wants to go get us Hawaiian food for dinner. So, I don't have any meds. I don't have any medicine.
You got that? You got one ready? A Butyrol?
You picked it up already, I thought. Oh, I was thinking you already got my inhaler. Okay. That's fine. Sorry about that. Real life. He's like, are you filming? Yes, and continues to ask me questions. It's okay though. This is super pretty. Super, super pretty. Loving it. If I can, I'll try to edit that conversation out, but I can't promise anything because I don't want it, because I think I still was applying polish while we were talking. I don't want to. Oh. I told him I didn't want anything for dinner because this heat. I'm not hungry. But he's like, I'll get you some lau lau anyway, and you can eat it later when if you decide that you're hungry. Well, I have some hard-boiled eggs I made. It's just too hot. Ridiculously hot. Oh my gosh, this is really pretty. How I'm gonna get my nail feet done outside. 100 degrees out there. It's just ridiculous. I know. I'm sure you're tired of hearing about it. It's just not the norm for over here at all. Especially not in July. Down quite far enough. There. It's okay. Yeah, not quite down far enough, but it'll work. It'll do. And also, I don't put any top coat on with wearing the gel polish. And I'm done. Look at that. That one almost went to the other butterfly wing. Little tiny part of it. Okay, there it is. Thank you for watching. Let me know what you think, and I will see you next time. Ciao.